Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks to GNC Warehouse for sending me this free review sample of the magnetic wireless power bank. This power bank has 5000 mAh and it has over-circuit protection, over-discharge protection, temperature protection, circuit protection, so I feel like this is great for the travel and for the go. If your phone or device doesn't have magnet wireless charging, you could use a cable and charge it with the out port that has included with this wireless charger. This portable charger comes with a kickstand and extra finger placement when you're holding your phone. Link in the description for this magnetic wireless portable charger. The magnetic feels strong, connection is great, and the charging is pretty fast. That's it for the unboxing and review. If you liked this video, comment below and subscribe for future tech reviews.